Class 6 Maths, Chapter 1, Number System. Hello everyone. Welcome to our maths class. I hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to learn the first chapter of Class 6 Mathematics, Number System. Let's begin with a simple question. What is a number system? A number system is a way of organizing numbers into different groups based on their properties. In simple words, it helps us understand different kinds of numbers and where they belong. Now, let's learn the different types of numbers. Natural numbers, N. First, we have natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers because we use them for counting. Examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, natural numbers always start from 1. 0 is not a natural number. For example, if you have 5 apples, then 5 is a natural number because you are counting the apples. Whole numbers, W. Now, let's talk about whole numbers. Whole numbers are natural numbers including 0. Examples are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is 0. If you have 0 chocolate, then 0 is a whole number. So, remember, natural numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3. Whole numbers is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Integers, Z. Next, we have integers. Integers include negative numbers, 0, positive numbers. Examples are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, if the temperature is -5 degrees Celsius, then -5 is an integer. So, integers include all positive numbers, all negative numbers, and 0. Number line. Now, let's understand the number line. A number line is a straight line on which numbers are arranged in order. 0 is in the middle. The numbers on the right side of 0 are positive numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The numbers on the left side of 0 are negative numbers. For example, -1, -2, -3, -4. A number line helps us understand the position of numbers and compare them easily. Comparing numbers. Now, let's learn how to compare numbers using the number line. This is a very simple rule. The number on the right side is always greater. The number on the left side is always smaller. For example, 5 is greater than 2. We write it as 5, 2. Another example. -3 is smaller than 0. We write it as -3, 0. So always remember, move right is equal to greater number. Move left is equal to smaller number. Quick revision. Let's revise today's lesson. Natural numbers, counting numbers. Whole numbers, natural numbers plus 0. Integers, negative numbers plus 0 plus positive numbers. On the number line, numbers on the right are greater. Numbers on the left are smaller. I hope you understood today's lesson. Homework. Tell me the type of these numbers. 1, 0, 2, -8, 3, 25, 4, -100, 5, 1. Also tell me, which number is greater, 8 or 3? Which number is smaller, -2 or 1? Write your answers in the comment section. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.